In a historic move for India's defense self-reliance, the government has issued a tender to HAL for the acquisition of 97 domestically produced LCA Tejas Mk-1A fighter jets. Valued at 65,000 crore rupees, this order marks a significant milestone in indigenous military procurement. Once operational, these advanced aircraft will replace aging MiG series fighters, aligning with India's drive for defense autonomy and showcasing the prowess of domestic manufacturers like HAL. India's Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft (AMCA) program aims to develop a next-generation fighter jet with advanced features. One notable addition planned for the AMCA is integrated boarding ladders, akin to those on the French Rafale Marine and American F-35. Unlike traditional retractable ladders, integrated ones maintain the aircraft's stealth profile by eliminating protrusions, contributing to operational efficiency and aircrew safety. However, they may add weight and complexity. India's indigenous Tejas Mach-2 fighter aircraft is set to achieve a major milestone with its maiden flight scheduled by the end of 2025. Initial plans envision 108 units, but recent reports suggest a potential increase to 200, reflecting the Indian Air Force's confidence. Scheduled to replace aging MiG-29 UPG and Mirage 2000 fighters, the Tejas Mach-2 boasts a heavier payload capacity, enhancing its combat capabilities. India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has begun assembling the RUAV-200, a rotary unmanned aerial vehicle, RUAV. This coaxial rotary wing drone with a fuel engine is tailored for high-altitude logistical operations. Developed through collaboration with DRDO and IIT Kanpur, it offers a payload capacity of 40 kilograms, endurance of 3 hours, and a max range of 400 kilometers, ideal for India's challenging terrains. Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit, Deputy Chief of the Indian Air Force, asserts that the winning bidder of the MRFA tender for 114 jets must prioritize integrating Indian-made weaponry. Discussions with OEMs highlight the need for seamless integration, reducing reliance on foreign suppliers. The IAF insists on flexibility in weapon selection and transparency in source code access, placing responsibility on manufacturers for integration costs.